Well, good morning, guys. Welcome to the pool. I've always wanted an indoor pool. And it even comes with floats. How about that? All that torrential rain we had last night, yesterday afternoon. Our sump pump picked that time to die. How about that? So what I have done, I always have a backup, you know. So the backup pump is going and working fantastic. Did not lose any of the foodstuffs because we put everything 4 to 6 inches up off the ground or in pallets. I'm checking on the salt. I got that would have been bad. I've got 300 pounds of salt right there. That hydroponics looks good. I can guarantee you everybody's been watered. I'm so glad I picked up all of these fertilizers off the floor, and I was going to tell you in a video today that Walmart has clearanced out all of their tree spikes. This is 10-10-10. 5 of them for $1.50, which is pretty good. I don't have trees to use this with. Crumble it up and use it around your house plants. That's really cheap. And you know, fertilizers, ammonium nitrates and all that, they're going to go through the roof this spring. Look at that. But it's okay. I mean, this kind of stuff happens, having a basement. That's why you have a nice sump system. And that's why you have a lot to clean up. Dehumidifier's going, freezer's still good. Yeah, dehumidifier is just cranking out right along. Check that freezer. I think our super duper Roomba is dead. Underwater. The freezer light's still green. And green is good. Of course, this happened the one day when I have an appointment. That's good enough. I don't think we have to worry about that draining really. So, this is what we'll be doing. But all in all, we didn't lose much. I hope not. Well, all the vacuum cleaners and the steam cleaner. Thank you. Ooh, we might have lost some of our toilet paper supply. It appears so. Should have stacked them up higher. Away she goes. Okay guys, now we are back headed down the road. Probably going to take most of the morning for that pump to move out that water. Then we're going to have to go through any cardboard. There shouldn't be much because we try not to do cardboard down in the basement. Any cardboard or anything like that, we're going to go ahead and just toss it out. That's why you may have noticed we only keep plastic tubs and totes on the bottom, on the concrete floor below the shelves. none of the food was damaged or anything like that. We lost Joe, the robot vacuum cleaner. He was underwater, and Joe don't float, just so you know. I think all of the uppity vacuum cleaners that she had, like the carpet cleaner and the steam cleaner and all that stuff, I think those are gone too. The refrigerator, freezer, those are all good as far as I know. Canned goods, everything's good. Again, we do the same thing. That's one reason we bought grocery store shelving. Was it has a 6-inch ledge where everything starts. So we already got that huge dehumidifier that we keep running down there. It's a 2,000 square foot dehumidifier, and it was still going too. It was fine. So I won't need to mess with that. We have 2 really big orange, those 3-foot tall round shop fans down there. So we'll do that. I honestly don't know if I'm even going to file a claim on my insurance. I really don't. I don't know if I will or not. I think it's a $500 deductible, and then you know, whatnots and everything. And worst comes to worst, I'll just buy another vacuum cleaner for could have been a lot worse. Could have been a lot worse. I was trying to think what else. The Oriental rugs, all of those are going to have to come up. All the rugs that I keep over on the grocery store side, we'll go ahead and pull them up. Then what I more than likely will do is sanitize the floor completely. Maybe, you know, put down a lot of Clorox and water just to kill any mold, and spray it up the walls, edges, and then let it dry, and that should take care of it. The main reason I keep those rugs down there in the basement is in case you drop a can or a jar or something like that, so I don't even have to ever go back with those if I don't want to. Like I said, could have been a lot worse. Take care, you people.